In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure the system tray settings on OBS Studio. OBS Studio is a powerful, open-source software used for video recording and live streaming, and knowing how to set it up correctly can significantly enhance your user experience. So let's dive right into it. First, make sure you have OBS Studio installed on your computer. If you haven't already done so, head over to your preferred search engine, type in OBS Studio, and download the latest version from the official website. It's crucial to ensure you're using the most up-to-date version to take advantage of all the latest features and improvements. Once OBS Studio is installed on your machine, open the application. You should see the main interface, which might seem a bit daunting at first because of its abundance of options and controls. However, don't worry, as our focus today is much simpler. We are looking specifically at the system tray settings, which can help with how you manage the app while running. Next, navigate to the bottom right corner of the screen and click on the Settings button. This action will bring up a new window with several configuration options on the left side. In this panel, look for the section labeled System Tray. Clicking on it will provide you with settings specific to how OBS Studio interacts with your system's notification area, also known as the System Tray. This feature allows you to minimize OBS Studio to the tray, keeping your taskbar clean and giving you easy access to OBS controls without having the full window opened. Now, within the System Tray options, you will see a checkbox labeled Enable or something similar. If this box is unchecked, OBS Studio will not use the System Tray utilities, meaning it will not minimize to the tray, but rather always remain on your taskbar. To utilize the system tray, simply tick this checkbox. Doing so will enable the system tray features, and OBS will now appear as an icon in the notification area when minimized. This is particularly useful if you are running a broadcast or recording and need quick access to certain functions without having the full interface interrupt your workflow. If you decide later that you prefer not having OBS Studio in the tray for whatever reason, perhaps you prefer seeing all open programs in the taskbar, you can easily revert this setting. Simply navigate back to the same section in Settings and untick the Enable checkbox. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to adjust the system tray settings for OBS Studio. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in optimizing your setup for a smoother and more organized workflow. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos to discover additional tips and tricks.